All right, now I'm going to show you another type of for loop. Oftentimes when you're working with arrays, you don't care about the index. For instance, if you're summing the contents of an array or just printing them out like we were, you don't necessarily care about what index you're at. This one we did because we were printing it. However, if you didn't care about the index where you're at, there's an easier way to get through an array to do something with it using a for loop. So instead of putting the parameters, you initialize a variable of the same type as your array. So our array was an array of integers, so we need an integer. Then you put a colon, and then you specify the array that you want to iterate over. And then, like I said, we don't have I anymore, so that doesn't make any sense. But now we have this val. And every time this for loop runs, if every time it loops through, val is going to be set to a different value from the array. So when I run this, you can see that it ran and you got each value of the array 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 each time. And like before, you can have however many things in here. It handles it all the same, but you don't have access to what the value, the index at each point, which sometimes is okay, sometimes is not. So if you don't need to know where you're at in the array, a simple for loop like this works really great for that.